Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and it's Waterflower here, finally talking in one of my videos. So I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step process of how I do one of my paintings using straight paint. The paints are in a dispenser bottle. Don't let that fool you. It is just straight paint. As you can see in the background, that lovely colorful wall left me with half-used paint bottles, and it was just easier to combine them all together. For my pouring technique, I am layering the paints, but I'm doing it as more of a drizzle or in a zigzag form. It doesn't really matter. I just wanted to do something a little bit different. When you are working with straight paint, it is a thicker consistency than if you mixed it with Floetrol or mixing medium. That is totally fine. Don't let it discourage you. That just means that it might take a little bit more paint, or it might take longer to spread across the canvas. But personally, I prefer that way anyways. I can be really impatient when it comes to mixing all of my colors, especially since I use at least a minimum of 8 per painting. Doesn't matter what order you put the paints in, your colors can be totally different than mine. I am using Craft Smart acrylic paint. Most of them are neon, black, and plum, and bright blue, turquoise, and ocean breeze. My favorite go-to cup is a 5.5 ounce snack cup from Walmart. Don't really think it makes a difference. That's just something I go with. Now, this video was filmed during a TikTok live. If you don't know what that is just another sharing platform. I edited the video so then you guys can also enjoy the paintings as well. You're going to notice a little screen on the right hand side. That's just me monitoring myself during the live. Now that you're ready to pour your paint, doesn't matter where you start on the canvas. I usually prefer to start on the upper left hand corner and then work my way down in almost a spiral motion. As you can see, compared to other paint, it is a lot thicker. Don't let that discourage you. That just means you're going to spend a little extra time on it, but it does create some really cool effects. What I enjoy most about this technique is whatever colors you see on the canvas completely shift once you start moving the canvas around. So it can start off extremely bright, then it can end up being a darker piece, or it can look all blue or a really dark piece, and then it has the most beautiful neon on it. I'm just moving the piece around to whatever feels more natural to me. Doesn't matter how you decide to do it, it's going to be different and unique to each person. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification sign, and give this video a huge thumbs up. And I hope you guys have a psychedelic day.